Jai Hind student, today we are going to discuss the some other case studies. Kavita Ghai was the managing director of a restaurant in Lucknow called Healthy Kitchen. The restaurant was doing well and the value of work started increasing slowly and steadily. Kavita Ghai was not able to manage all the work on her own. The increased magnitude of work made it impractical for her to handle it all by herself. Moreover, her objective is to open more branch of his restaurant at different places. She appointed Nikhil Gupta as a general manager of Healthy Kitchen and Lucknow and gave him to right to command his subordinate and took action with the scope of this position. For the smooth running of the restaurant, he also gave him authority to hire and train the staff as per the requirement. Kivtagai was satisfied with the work of Nikhil and was able to open the other branch of restaurant in Agra and Kanpur also. Identify the concept followed by the Kavita Gai which helped her to open a new branch of the restaurant and also explain briefly 2 point importance of concept identify above. The concept of delegation has been followed by the Kavita Gai which helped her to open the new branch of the restaurant. And the two important highlight import are described as the effective management. Delegation lead to effective management of the business enterprises. This is because it enables the manager to utilize their competence and the potential of their subordinate optimally and employee development when the subordinate are interested with the more opportunity to utilize her their talent the perform complex tasks assume those responsibility which is likely to improve their career prospects. Next question. Aradhya and the Gardhav were head of the two different departments of IMCO Limited. They are efficiently managed and are able to motivate the employee of a respective department to improve the performance. However, their drive to excel in their own spray of activity instead of giving emphasis on objective of enterprises had hidden on the interactions between the given emphasis on objective of enterprises department of Radha and Gardhav are handing of them there are the interdepartmental conflict and they have become incompatible. This has proved to be harmful in the fulfillment of the organizational objective. The situation had deteriorated to such extent that the CEO of PMO Limited had hired consult Resmi to resolve this problem. After studying the situation closely, Yasmin found that the problem arises due to inflexibility and the narrow perspective of the part of both the Aradhya and Gardho. She is not often to view that the situation is result of the type organizational structure MCO Limited has adopted. From the above information, identify the organizational structure adopted by the MCO and state any three advantage of structure. So identify. The type of organizational structure adopted by MCO Limited is a functional structure. So the three advantages of functional structure are as follows. Functional structure promote work-related specializations and it facilitates control coordinate with the department and it facilitates the training of employee by the efficiency only the limited range of the skill. Next question. Kiran Industry is a company dealing in office furniture. The company choose to diversify its operation to improve the growth potential and increase the market share. As the project was important, the many alternatives were generated from the purpose and the thoroughly discussed amongst the member of the organizations. After evaluating the various alternatives, Sukhvinder and managing director of the company decided that they should add homes, interior and furniture as new line of business activities. Name the framework which diversify the organization should be adopted to enable into the scope emerging complexity and state to limitation of framework. The answer is division of structural should be adopted by the diversity organization to enable it to cope the emerging complexity reason it lead the faster decision making and promote flexibility. And second, two limitation of divisional structure are as follows. There are many conflict among the different division of the heads of a higher profit each